Hi guys, today's video I want to show you a few of my favorite fall lipsticks. I'll be swatching them on my hands and on my lips, so if you want to see, just keep on watching. So one of my all-time favorites is from M.A.C Cosmetics. It's a Velvet Teddy. I think this is perfect for the fall or just the whole year round. As you can see, it's one of my most worn lipsticks. I love how it's very wearable and you can go anywhere with this lip color. You can go to the office, you can go to school, to the movies, dinner, and it looks great. So let me show you. This is how it looks.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said
I know this is the third M.A.C Cosmetics lipstick I've shown you, and you might think they're the same, but they're not. So I'm gonna show you some swatches of the three of them so you can see there are different colors. So the one over here, it's Velvet Teddy, then comes Mocha, and then comes Creme in your coffee, which is the one I'm actually wearing right now. And they are similar, but they go from lightest to darkest. And this has more of a pinky undertone. This one has more of the Mocha has a more of a orange undertone, and we go back to a darker pink, almost purpley undertone. So these are three different lipsticks.
shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and stay with me.
That's it for the lip swatches. I just want to show you all the lipsticks together in some hand swatches so you can see the different tones and that they are actually different colors. So here they are. These are the three lipsticks from M.A.C Cosmetics, and so this is Velvet Teddy, Mocha, and Cream in Your Coffee. Then we have the liquid lipsticks, and this is also from M.A.C Cosmetics. It's the Tempered Tantara, this one. Then we have this one from Kat Von D, and it's Lolita II, this one. Then we have Too Faced Hot Buttered Rum, which is the third one. Then we have also from Too Faced, and this is Pumpkin Spice, this. And the last one, also from Too Faced, is called Gingerbread Man. That it's this one is the one I'm actually wearing right now on my lips. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if you like this video, if you would like to see more swatches video, lipsticks, what are some of the things you want me to review or teach you some techniques. And just I hope you have a great fall, and hopefully you'll see my next video, which will be a Thanksgiving makeup look with a lot of fall colors. And thanks again for watching. Bye.